How to change color preferences in OKX. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the color interface. First of all, open the application. Now here on the laptop, you can see this dots icon. Tap on this dots icon. Now on the top, you'll be able to see your profile name. Simply tap on your profile name. Now here, swipe right until you find the option called Preferences. Tap on Preferences. Here, you'll be able to see the option called Color Preferences. Tap on Color Preferences. Here there are different versions that are available. Now you can select any one of these, and here on the chart color option you can select these options. So if you go back, it will be automatically saved. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.